Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a virtual tour to the captivating city of Boston, Massachusetts. Known for its remarkable historical significance, rich culture, and diverse attractions, Boston stands as one of the oldest and most vibrant cities in the US. Boston holds immense historical significance in American history. It played a pivotal role in events that shaped the nation's founding and independence. One notable event is the Boston Tea Party in 1773, where American colonists protested against British taxation by throwing tea into the Boston harbor. This act of defiance symbolized the resistance against British rule and contributed to the thawing tensions leading to the American Revolution. Another iconic event is Paul Revere's Midnight Ride in 1775. Revere, along with others, alerted the colonial militias about the movement of the British troops. This warning helped the patriots to prepare for the battles of Lexington and Concord, which marked the beginning of the American Revolution. Boston was a focal point of the revolution itself. The city witnessed significant conflicts such as Battle of Bunker Hill in 1775, where American forces engaged the British Army. The Siege of Boston, lasting from 1775 to 1776, resulted in the eventual British evacuation from the city, marking a crucial turning point in the war. Today, Boston preserves its historical legacy through various iconic sites. The Freedom Trail, a 2.5-mile trail, winds through the city, showcasing 16 historically significant sites, including the Massachusetts State House. This building, completed in 1798, served as a seat of the state government and witnessed important events like the signing of the Massachusetts Constitution. Faneuil Hall, also known as the Cradle of Liberty, is another significant site. Built in 1742, it served as a marketplace and a venue for public meetings. It became a hub for revolutionary activities and speeches, hosting prominent figures such as Samuel Adams. These sites, along with others like the Old North Church and the Paul Revere House, offer visitors a glimpse into Boston's rich historical past. They stand as reminders of the city's role in American history and its contributions to the birth of the American states as an independent nation. Culturally, Boston, Massachusetts boasts a rich cultural tapestry with a variety of gems that captivate visitors and locals alike. Firstly, Boston's museum scene is unparalleled. The Museum of Fine Arts is a must-visit, showcasing an extensive collection spanning ancient to contemporary art. The Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum, housed in a stunning Venetian-style palace, is renowned for its eclectic collection and enchanting courtyard. The Institute of Contemporary Art showcases cutting-edge contemporary art in a sleek waterfront setting. In addition to its museums, Boston thrives with a vibrant performing arts scene. The Boston Symphony Orchestra, one of the world's most esteemed orchestras, delivers captivating classical performances at Symphony Hall. The Boston Ballet, with its exceptional dancers and innovative productions, enchants audiences with the beauty of dance. These cultural gems reflect Boston's dedication to the arts, making it a heaven for art enthusiasts and connoisseurs. Whether you are exploring masterpieces in the museums or experiencing the magic of live performances, Boston's cultural offerings are sure to leave a lasting impression. Within the neighborhood, there are unique characteristics and diverse cultural fabric of Boston, offering visitors an array of experiences and attractions to explore. Such areas include Beacon Hill, nestled in the heart of Boston. Beacon Hill is renowned for its enchanting historical homes and picturesque streets. This neighborhood exudes charm with its cobblestone streets, gas-lit lamps, and elegant architecture. The area is home to the Massachusetts State House, which adds to its historical significance. Visitors can explore the charming boutiques, antique shops, and cozy cafes that line the streets of Beacon Hill. Another neighborhood is Back Bay, known for its vibrant atmosphere. Back Bay is a bustling neighborhood that seamlessly blends the old and the new. Copley Square stands as a central gathering place and is surrounded by iconic landmarks such as Trinity Church and the Boston Public Library. Newbury Street, one of the Boston's most famous shopping destinations, offers a mix of high-end retailers, trendy boutiques, and quaint eateries. The neighborhood's tree-lined streets and Victorian brownstones create a visually appealing backdrop. Another neighborhood is Chinatown. Boston's Chinatown is a vibrant and diverse neighborhood, bursting with cultural richness. It is a hub for Asian cuisine with a wide array of authentic restaurants and bustling food markets. Visitors can explore traditional Chinese herbal shops, enjoy Asian arts and crafts, and experience lively street festivals. Chinatown is also home to the beautifully designed Chinatown Gate, which marks the entrance to the neighborhood and symbolizes the community's identity and pride. Another neighborhood is North End, affectionately known as Boston's Little Italy. The North End is a lively neighborhood steeped in Italian heritage. Narrow, winding streets lined with traditional Italian eateries, pastry shops, and cafes create a captivating atmosphere. The North End is famous for its mouth-watering Italian cuisine, particularly its delicious pizza and fresh pasta. History buffs can explore landmarks such as Paul Revere House and the Old North Church, adding to the neighborhood's charm. Boston is also home for culinary delights. Discovering the Boston's culinary scene with its irresistible local specialties is every visitor's desire. When it comes to exploring the city's food culture, Quincy Market stands out as a must-visit destination. This vibrant marketplace offers a diverse array of delicious eats that cater to every palate, from the fresh seafood and gourmet sandwiches to delectable pastries and international cuisine. Quincy Market is a food lover's paradise. It's a place where you can satisfy your cravings and immerse yourself in the bustling and atmosphere of Boston's culinary delights. Boston, Massachusetts also offers a wealth of outdoor adventures for visitors and locals alike. The city boasts several picturesque attractions such as the renowned Boston Common and Public Garden, where one can enjoy leisurely walks and soak in the beauty of nature. One of the city's standout features is the Emerald Necklace, a series of interconnected parks and green spaces that provides ample opportunities for walking, biking, and picnicking. This expensive chain of parks stretches from the Back Bay fence to Franklin Park, allowing visitors to escape the bustling city streets and immerse themselves in tranquil natural surroundings. The waterfront area is another highlight of outdoor exploration in Boston. With its vibrant Boston Harbor and the scenic Harbor Walk, visitors can experience the stunning coastal beauty and enjoy various recreational activities. Whether it is strolling along the waterfront, taking a ferry to the nearby islands, or simply relishing the refreshing sea breeze, the Boston waterfront offers a delightful escape from urban life. In terms of sports and recreation, Boston, Massachusetts boasts a vibrant sports culture that is deeply ingrained in its identity. The city's passionate fans rally behind iconic teams such as Red Sox in baseball, Celtics in basketball, and Patriots in football. These teams have garnered immense support and have become an integral part of Boston's sporting legacy. One of the city's crown jewels is Fenway Park, an enduring symbol of baseball tradition. As one of the oldest baseball stadiums in the country, Fenway Park exudes an electrifying atmosphere during games. The experience of attending a game at Fenway Park is unparalleled, with the crowd's energy pulsating through every seat. The iconic Sweet Caroline sing-alongs and the thrilling moments that unfold in the field. Beyond the realm of professional sports, Boston offers diverse range of recreational activities for residents and visitors alike. Exploring the Charles River by kayak provides a unique perspective on the city's natural beauty while enjoying a peaceful and invigorating experience. The Charles River Esplanade, a scenic park along the river, also offers opportunities for cycling, allowing individuals to pedal through picturesque landscapes and soak in the charm of Boston's waterfront. Boston's sports and recreational scene intertwines seamlessly, recreating a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere for both athletics and enthusiasts. Whether it's cheering for beloved sports teams or engaging in outdoor activities along the Charles River, Boston provides an array of options to fulfill the passions and interests of locals and visitors alike. In conclusion, Boston, Massachusetts is a city that truly has it all, from its rich historical heritage to its vibrant cultural attractions, delectable culinary scene, thrilling outdoor adventures, and passionate sports culture. Boston offers a unique and unforgettable experience. We encourage you to visit Boston in person and immerse yourself in its diverse offerings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.